So we had Yiddish classes, Yiddish sing-alongs, Yiddish creative things. We had college day and Olympics or what all those things as competitions, where best Yiddish song was one of the categories, best original Yiddish, best original English. So Yiddish was it was in the air, as they say. It was in the air. It was in our hearts, in our lives, and yet we were very American kids. We were totally American. Played baseball and sports, and snuck out at night, and the language among us was English. And there were the New York accent kids, and there were the Montreal accent kids. It was all just great growing up experience.